Hello and welcome. In this video we're going to show the basic change process in 3DEXPERIENCE using the Change Execution widget. It's worth noting that this widget, Change Execution, is part of the 3DEXPERIENCE PCS role. The Change Execution widget can be opened by clicking on the compass, finding the app of the same name, and dragging it onto a new or existing tab. Once opened, any change actions, also known as CAs, that you own or are assigned to, will be shown in Recents. To create a new change action, it's as simple as clicking on New Change Action. Here, you add a meaningful title and choose where you want to create the CA. Once created, the CA will open automatically. We can add additional information by clicking on the Information button. In this pane, we can view the attributes of the CA. It is worth noting that additional attributes can be added to suit your needs. By clicking on the Issue tab, we can directly link the issues within the platform that we're looking to resolve as part of this change. Although not needed for the change process, issues can be created directly within the platform in much the same way CAs can. For more information on issues management, please contact us. We can also add attachments to support the CA, for example, photos, documents, or 3D markups. Much like issues, 3D markup is not needed for the change process, but complements it well. 3D markup is where we add information directly to the 3D or 2D stored within the platform. This information can be to support resolving an issue, or suggest improvements as part of product development. For more information on 3D markup, please contact us. The properties of a CA can be updated at any time to reflect progress. We add assignees to the CAs. These users will be the people working on the CA. We also select approvers. These can be individuals or predefined groups of people. The items that we are proposing to change are added quickly and easily by searching the platform. In CAs, we are not restricted to just CAD items. Other object types such as documents, requirements, etc. can be added. Promoting the CA to in work will automatically notify the assignees they have a CA to complete. When the CA is promoted in approval, the system notifies the appropriate approvers automatically. It is easy to track the progress of an approval in the Approvers tab of the CA. Here we can clearly identify the next to-do task and who it's assigned to. Tasks can be quickly approved and comments are mandatory. Once approved, the system will automatically promote the objects to the release state and complete the CA. Thanks for watching. If change or any other aspect of 3DEXPERIENCE interests you, please contact us.